Hadden Loffler, aged 13 years old, is currently #1 tennis player in the Kingdom of Swaziland, under 14 and 16 juniors. Loffler, who's preparing for International Tennis Federation Championship competitions, has intensified his training, where he covers 12 hours of training per week. When we visited him during his training session at the Mbabane Club in Mbabane, Loffler explained the reason behind his intensified training.
I train 12 hours per week. I try to train 2 hours each day, and I'm working hard so that I can hopefully get the scholarship to Morocco. And this year my goal is to probably achieve to get into the semi-finals of an ITF tournament. So I hope I really get into that. In the Moroccan training camps, they train 6 hours each day.
Maurice Dlamini, who is #2 best player in the country in the seniors, who is training him, says he is impressed by his improvement and adds that from what he sees, the boy will achieve his dreams.
Njoba asho ukuthi uyapromise ukuthi ufuna ukuthola scholarship ubo kuya eMorocco sa-ITF ne. I think January can manage ukufika kuma semi-finals because the training lesenda go intensive, ifaka i-physical fitness, ifaka ama-strokes, ama-ground strokes nawo wonke lo khambelana ne-tennis. I think u-improve kakhulu because uhambile wadlala ePitoli, wafika kuma-stages. I think we won 2 or 3 games into lengavami kwendeka kuye, but then as kusahamba lesikhathi lo June if ato-attenda lama-tournaments a-ITF, I think can manage ukufika kuma semi-finals.
Loffler has until this coming June to find out if he will reach the semi-finals of the International Tennis Federation Championship and get his scholarship to Morocco. For Swazi TV Sports, Fabrice Musonela, John Muleleken, Mbabane.